In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Xero with WooCommerce. We'll walk through the process right from inside your Xero account, so you can connect your online store and have your sales flow automatically into your accounting. This helps you reduce manual data entry, cut down on errors, and keep your books up to date without extra effort. Start by logging into your Xero dashboard. On the main screen, look towards the right-hand side for the app launcher icon. It usually looks like a grid or a small menu of squares. Go ahead and click on that icon. This opens up a panel where Xero gives you quick access to different tools and features. From that panel, look for the option labeled Xero App Store and click on it. The App Store is where you can find official and third-party apps that integrate with Xero, including WooCommerce. It might take a moment to load depending on your connection, so just wait until the page fully appears. Once the App Store is open, go to the search bar at the top of the page. Click into the search field and type WooCommerce. Make sure the spelling is correct because the search results depend on that. After typing it in, press enter or wait for the search suggestions to appear. You should now see WooCommerce listed in the search results. Look carefully for the official WooCommerce integration or WooCommerce automatic sync option. When you see the correct app, click on the WooCommerce result to open its detail page. This page usually shows you an overview of what the integration does, key features, and any pricing or trial information. On the WooCommerce app page, click on it again if needed to fully open the description and options. Then find the button that says Get this app and click on that. This is what starts the connection process between your WooCommerce store and your Xero organization. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts. Xero and WooCommerce will guide you step by step. Typically, you'll be asked to confirm which Xero organization you want to connect, sign into your WooCommerce store if you're not already logged in, and then grant permission for the two systems to share data. Take your time to read each screen, confirm the settings, and complete the